What's up, wonderful people? This is Eric Gill Jr. with www.ericgilljr.com. And if you're new to my channel, I just want to say welcome to Residual Knowledge TV. This is a platform I use to share residual knowledge on how to make money online and to create an online business. So today's lesson, I will be talking about the risks of becoming an entrepreneur. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like, subscribe to my channel, share, comment below. And let's go ahead and get into this lesson. All right, let's start with number one. For the risk of becoming an entrepreneur, you may lose some friends or some family members. This is can be a lonely road because you are doing something that a lot of people may or may not agree with. So you may lose some friends along the way. Risk number one. Risk number two is you may experience anxiety and some depression. It depends on you. First off, if you are experiencing any of this, please go seek out some help. There are different companies and entities out there that would definitely help out with any mental anguish, anxiety, depression, stuff like that. But you can't experience this. I have experienced this. Going through becoming an entrepreneur or being an entrepreneur. I have solely been an entrepreneur, I would say, ever since I've been young, always creating different avenues to create income on the side. I guess you could call that a hustler or whatever. That's what we used to call it in the streets. Always finding ways to create extra income. But throughout this process, you may experience some anxiety and depression. These are things that I have experienced. Number three is, 40-hour work weeks may never be enough. I work 40-hour job per week, full-time job, and on top of the 40 hours, sometimes it's I might do like 45 hours that week, whatever. And then I come home, and after I'm done with work, with my regular job, I come home and I work on my business until about 11, 12 o'clock at night. And I do that consistently every single day. And you have to put in hours for your job. What's that? 5 times 5. Sometimes 5 is 25, and then on the weekends I do about 10 hours per weekend. 10 hours on Saturday and 10 hours on Sunday. So that's 45. I do about 45 hours into my business. At least 45 hours into my business for sure. And I might be lowballing it, but I put in a lot of time because I believe in time freedom, and that is definitely something that I'm trying to work towards. So I highly believe that 40-hour work weeks are never enough. It can become lonely when you are putting so much hours into yourself, but the outcome is so beautiful. And number four, you will lose money. This right here, people, they would rather lose time, but they hate to lose money. But I tell you what, I hate losing time. My main goal for having a business online is time freedom. Money comes and goes. You could always make money. You can just pick up a skill set and make money, to be honest with you. The amount of money, that's different. But you can't make money doing anything. Making money is easy, but time. I love my time. I love time. That's the reason why I do it. So these are the risks of becoming an entrepreneur that I have learned on my road to being an entrepreneur all these years and everything. If this is something that you found some value in, please comment below. I really do appreciate your time. You could be watching any other video online. And if you are looking into joining an online business, or you don't know what an online business is, I am offering a 15-day free 15-day business plan where there's a series of 15 videos, one per day, or it might be 2 videos per day. And basically gives you an overview of digital marketing and online marketing and creating an income online to fast forward yourself to having your own business. At the end of the 15 days, if you do feel that it's not something for you, you can just take the business plan that we went over with you and do whatever you want with it. That's it. But it's totally free. All we're asking for is your time. You know, it's good to learn something, you know. Might as well get it for free. So Eric Gill Jr. with Residual Knowledge TV. Thanks for watching, and comment below.